So the one brake pads are in, guys, on the one caliper. Now we're doing the next with the pink stuff.
Well, that's for when it heats up and shit.
Yeah, thanks for burping.
Well, this protects it.
Yeah. I swear, guys are so disgusting. At least I didn't have him fart in my face earlier. When I was...
What?
Yeah, you were bent over and you farted.
Well, not my fault. You're always in the wrong spot fucking filming. You're like the shittiest filming person.
Fuck you.
All you do is just sit there.
I don't just sit there. I don't just sit there. Stop saying that. You always say that. I don't just sit there. I fucking help. If I just sit there, I'm not helping no more. So you begging me to come, you can stop. Don't ask. Because I just sit there. Yeah. So why do you beg? Yeah, you do. You pull a whole hissy fit if I don't come with you. Why do you think I'm here? Yeah, you forgot the clips.
No, I have clips in there. They're
Wait,
old though.
use the new ones. What the fuck, Rick?
Because I had to like fuck around with those and all the time.
My God, lazy fuck.
See, they don't fit.
Well, why do they come with that then?
I have to fucking cut them and shit. That's why I use the old ones, because they're already like in place.
Done.
Just gotta clean them.
Now what you doing? You don't give much of that, eh?
Well, you don't need much.
Everybody stares.
No, no.
Because I don't think they're staring at you.
Well, they're staring at you.
Yeah, it's annoying. You should just blow kisses. Ooh, that's not nice. Ooh. One in, guys.
What are you talking about? I got one in there.
No, one brake pad in.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God, don't fuck with me. I went and got him brake pads. Because I'm a good person. And they were like so rude to me. They're like, oh, is your caliber a 4-pin or 2? And I was like, what the fuck do you need to know my caliber for? And I was like, obviously 2-pin. I'm not driving a Bamboo or what is that thing? Rambo. Like, what the fuck, people? I don't have Rambo. What was I gonna? A Bamboo.
Rambo. This is just like basic brakes.
Rambo. Look at that face, guys, when he works. Not even gentle.
Well, do I drive gentle?
No, you drive like a maniac. Like a fucking maniac.
Well, there's your fucking answer. It works.
Ta-da! Second one is in. Almost. Fuck. I don't know why this one's giving him a bitch. What do you mean?
I had to get up.
Why?
I grabbed this. You want to see how this works?
Yeah, what's that? What is that? A piston? Looks like a sucker. Like something you would plunge your toilet with. What's that called? A piston? Looks stupid. What do you mean, do I really have to talk? Talk about what? Oh, because you're missing things. You're fucking up because I'm talking too much. Gotcha. I'll shut up. Is that to stretch it?
To push it in.
Push what in?
The piston.
What's the piston? Oh. The rusty thing?
Yeah.
Well, shouldn't you pour out the rust? Yeah. Is that the thing that goes... Because your car's a bitch. You know that.
Sure doesn't push it all the way. Should have brought my C-clip. It's not made for it, but works so much better.
A C-clip?
Yeah.
It's not made.
See, look, I barely have play.
Yeah. What's the C-clip for?
By the time it pushes it, I got
like not even an inch.
Yeah.
To work with. That's so stupid. Maybe we should go to 2 sets of calipers. Those look nasty. Now, guys, he's gonna slap it.
That's stupid.
Very stupid. I don't care. Rick asked me to do the other side, but I don't really want to do the other side. I guess I should start it though. This is taking forever. I'm gonna start the other side actually, yeah.